Allantoin, your skin's natural healing hero. From the morning wash to the evening bath and body lotion application, Allantoin plays a key role in every skincare routine. Allantoin helps soften keratin, accelerate cell renewal, and rebuild healthy skin from within. It delivers 24-hour intense hydration while strengthening the skin barrier and soothing sensitivity. Allantoin also offers bactericidal, antiseptic and antioxidant benefits, along with promoting collagen regeneration. Moreover, it demonstrates anti-inflammatory properties by down-regulating the expression of pro-inflammatory cytokines, including TNF-alpha, COX-2, IL-6 and IL-1, clinically proven to outperform glycerin in moisture retention and match the healing power of 20% urea. Yet with greater gentleness, Noyain's high-purity Allantoin has consistency quality, weak and fast delivery, suitable for large-scale production. It is cost-effective with multiple benefits: anti-inflammatory, acne-fighting, moisturizing, soothing and brightening. Now widely used in shampoos, sun care, facial care, oral care and more, Allantoin brings you resilient, supple and balanced skin. The ultimate solution for a healthy, radiant complexion. For sample requests and customized formulation support, please contact our distributors.